Ray Edmonds and Clive Everton take over commentary.
Strange sort of break-off shot.
Six. Seven. 14.
Well, Stephen obviously would like to take the red to the right of the two, but doesn't appear to be a lot of space. May be able to nudge it into the side of the pocket.
Stephen Hendry, 14.
Hendry's playing very well, but he learned a lesson about taking reckless chances when he played Parrott in the World Match Play quarter-finals at Brentwood just before Christmas. He led 5-0, but went for all sorts of shots at that point and ended up losing 9-8.
Well, certainly Stephen Hendry has looked pretty much the best player on view this week, and he's confirming it so far today. Hardly any unforced errors.
Eight. $13. 14. 15. Stephen Hendry, 14.
The pink was almost straight, and in just trying to steal a bit of extra angle, he put it into the side cushion jaw. Well, that was obviously the plant that Hendry played to leave.
One.
But now that Parrott's missed it, it could be end of frame.
Seven. Stephen Hendry, 7.
Complete miss hit there.
Gentlemen, please.
Just going rather too quickly. Complete lapse, but it's a let-off for John Parrott. And John Parrott has just got to absorb some of this punishment he's taking and wait for his chances, and then when he gets them like this, try and really make them tell.
One. Eight. Nine. Sixteen. Seventeen. $24.
Playing to disturb the red from the pink and leave the plant of the other two reds to the corner.
John Parrott, 24.
Didn't really play that one with any commitment whatsoever. Didn't really fancy it a lot, I don't think, and just jabbed at it.